Hi beautiful people, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do sleeping didi on natural hair. I mean natural 4C hair. Yes, a lot of people have been sending me messages like, Queen Aniki, can you please show us how to do sleeping didi on natural hair? Some are even asking if possible to do sleeping didi on natural hair and it will still look good. So the answer to your question is capital yes. You can do sleeping didi on natural hair and it will came out well. So guys, stay tuned while you enjoy this lovely tutorial. Welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Oh my god, my returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into this channel. I can never take you guys for granted. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And for my new subscribers, like if you are watching any of my video for the first time, you are actually new, so please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, so that you will not miss out. Yes, give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoy watching it, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, this is me trying to do sleeping didi on natural 4C hair. Can you see guys? So all what you need to do is just to hold it firm and you handle this natural hair with care. Can you see? As I'm braiding it, like the hair is dry, so I need to spray water on it to make it soft while I'm trying to comb it out. You know, natural hair is really painful when you are trying to make it. So for you to just try to maintain the natural hair while you are doing it, you spray water on it so that you'll be able to do it. You'll be able to hold it firm and your client will not be feeling the pain. Can you see guys? So after spraying water on it, I try to use my wide comb. Use your wide comb to comb it out. Yes, you don't use small comb like all this tape comb to comb natural hair. No, the hair will be breaking. So if you are using tape comb, that means you are cutting it small. So it's better not to use tape comb. You use a bigger wide comb. There's some tape comb that is a bit wider, so you can actually use that one as well. So guys, this is me trying to do. So this particular hairstyle, I'll be achieving side parts. Can you see? I'm almost done with the first side. So if you are trying to do side parts, you just go ahead and portion the hair. It's not equal parts. One is bigger than one because it's side part. But if you are doing it center part, that means you are dividing it two equal parts. So guys, can you see guys? Like I'm almost done with the first part. So this is me trying to move on to the other side. So I'm trying to comb the hair. Can you see? So when you are trying to comb natural hair, you need to handle it with care. Yes, you don't comb natural hair the way you comb permed hair. You portion it and you comb it small. Can you see guys? So this is the part. This is the second part that I want to braid. So this is me. Just see the way I'm starting it. You start it as if you are doing normal didi. Do you know that this sleeping didi is different from adimole? Because this particular one, you are bending your hand to the side. So when you are trying to do this particular one, you notice there is a small brush. Never mind, it's part of it. So if you are trying to do it without brush, it soon slip the way you want it. And if the style bends to the side, that's when the beauty will comes out. Yes, can you see guys? So just try to hold it firm. So this is the second side I'm trying to braid. I'm almost done. Can you see guys? Hold it firm, not too tight. Can you see? So this is what they call sleeping didi, and in Yoruba, some Yoruba people call it didi ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ kan, oníhà kan. So this is what they call sleeping didi. You can see is different from normal weaving, and is different from adimole. The adimole is inner didi, while this one is side didi. Can you see the difference? So guys, this is how I keep going with this lovely tutorial. I'm almost done with it. This is the final one I'm trying to do here. Can you see? So I'll show you guys the final result, and the final result is so lovely. Can you see? So for you people asking if you can do sleeping didi on natural hair, I think I've answered your questions. Can you see, guys? So hold it firm, not too tight. And guys, I'm done. See the final look of the hair. This is beautiful. Yes, I need to praise myself. It's beautiful. Yes, and my client is in love with it. Don't mind my client, she doesn't want her face to show, so I understand her. So this is the final look of the hair. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any hairstyle that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to upload your request. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.